We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a washer box which combines the water lines and the drain line all in one recessed box. And then of course a recessed gas box. This is an aux box, and so it comes with a little bracket, and then of course multiple joints here. So this is all copper stubbed out. Copper came up, stubbed out 2 bibs up here, and then of course the drain came out on the 45. So now it's nice and recessed. They wanted it tight to the wall because they're getting a stackable washer and dryer, and they want as much room as possible. And so now you're back in the wall. Gas is off right now here. We're going to turn it on back out at the meter, and then test all this to make sure there's no leaking in here. That's your existing line back there with the level on it. That's your gas drop. And so we snuck it over, and I had to come up and over again just because this is where all of your waste is for your washing machine. So that's in. We'll test that. Water's on right now, no leaking. So that's good. All this is Uponor tubing. So you've got this is the cold, originally this was the cold side stubbed out right here. So it's coming around cold, blue to blue, red to red, and then of course here. Got a little piece of insulation because the pipe's touching right here and we don't want it revving. It doesn't really do anything, but just a nice piece of 1/2-inch foam wrap. And then this is all good to go. When you're ready to hook up your washer, you just take that and pop it with some channel locks, pull that out, put your drain in. Right now there's no, well, there probably is some water in the trap, so even if you took that out, you shouldn't get any sewer gases in, but just leave it on until you're ready to use it. Nothing need to be strapped because we're far enough back in the wall, and we'll go ahead and get the gas turned on and tested. Outside of that, this installation is done.